All right, welcome to day 42 of staycation. It's about 64 degrees right now. I'm gonna go on a hike called Roost. It's gonna get hot today, so we're doing this early to stay cool. All right, made it to the first hill on this hike. One of the cool things about this part of the hike is you can see all of downtown Anaheim. So there it is, way off in the distance. Disneyland's somewhere over there. Pretty cool. I think I can see the Matterhorn. Yeah, that is the first half of the hike. And now on to the other. A lot of this hike is uphill, so it's definitely a challenge. We can do it. Just out here taking in the view. It's a gorgeous morning. So happy for the opportunity to do this. And we're almost there to Roost. All right, we are officially at the top of Roost. Pretty cool view all around us. Baldy's in that direction, so there you go, it's over there somewhere. Turn around this way safely. Catalina's in that direction, LA in that direction. All right, we are getting closer to the bottom of the hill, almost finishing up. Today's hike was about 4 miles. It's pretty good. Feel much better than I did last week. I feel like if I keep going hiking more and more every day, I'll get better. So we'll see how tomorrow goes.